How to add widget in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add widgets in Figma, a powerful way to enhance your design and collaboration process. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open your Figma design or create a new one where you want to add a widget. Now go to the toolbar and click widgets, then choose browse all widgets. Here you'll see all available widgets. Use the search bar or scroll to find what you need, like button tools, sticky notes or to-do list. Click run to use the widget immediately or add the file to keep it in your file. Once added, place it in your canvas and interact with it. Just like any other design elements, some widgets also let you customize text, color or layout. And that's it. This is how you add widgets in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.